Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually make a broadcast channel on Instagram. Now this is very easy and the option should be available for you. If it's not, I'm going to show you a way how to get it instant. Now simply follow my steps. Go and open your account and go to the top right where you can send messages. Right here. Now from there, all you have to do is simply head down to the top right once more where to write a new message. Now here should be the option to create a chat or broadcast. Now as you can see, my broadcast isn't available. Now the thing is, you should select a few, and here you can create a group chat but not a broadcast yet. Now simply head down to your own account right here, go to the top right three dots and open up settings and privacy. Now make sure that your account is set to public right here. Then the options should be available. If it's still not available when you go to the top right 2 times, simply shake your phone. This should appear, did something go wrong, and here you can report a problem. Now all you have to do is press include and continue and type my account has no broadcasting option, and then type please fix this, and then in a couple of hours, probably 24 hours, your problem should be resolved. Now that's everything. If this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. But most importantly, thank you for watching.